Thord's out, returning from a job, when he takes an unusual emergency call.
Hello. Now I've got the call. There is a tractor who is a little bit out of the road between some cabins, and he is coming too long out.
After heavy snowfall, the tractor was clearing a narrow track connecting a development of luxury cabins, making them ready for visitors. The driver steered too close to the edge and risks tipping. Complete with snow-clearing equipment, the tractor weighs over 14 tons. And at any moment, it could crash into the cabin, worth hundreds of thousands of euros. Thord arrives in his rescue truck. It stands nearly 4 meters tall and only just fits between the snowbanks. The tractor blocks the way ahead, so Thord gets out to size up the situation.
Hallo! Hvordan går dette brettet deg? Ja, her han kom så langt ut, ja. This tractor, if he start moving backwards or forwards now, then he's gonna tip over, 100%. 1.5 meters down, there's a nice cabin, not good.
Thord must act quickly to stop the tractor from tipping. But to do that, he needs to get his tow truck alongside.
This is not looking very good. This was not so good. It's not space enough for my truck, so. Hvor langt inn tror du han klarer å komme her, da?
Nei, det er mur.
Mur, ja.